People's Party's mission to serve the people of the province selflessly. The Pakistan People's Party secured more votes than ever before in Sindh. PPP's vote bank in Sindh saw a rise in its share from 38.7% in 2018 general elections to 45.5% in 2024, and thereby it commands an absolute majority in the Provincial Assembly of Sindh. We also express our unwavering commitment to embark on a journey to unlock our province's tremendous potential for greater prosperity and development under the guidance of President Asif Ali Zardari and dynamic leadership of Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. Mr. Speaker, before I move forward, I would like to thank Almighty Allah for granting us protection, honor, and the strength to stand tall in the face of aggression by the enemy. In recent days, our beloved responding to unprovoked and unjustifiable hostility, our brave armed forces, our army, navy, and the air force rose with courage, professionalism, and unmatched resolve. In a matter of hours, they transformed aggression into deterrence, fear into resilience, and threats into a renewed national unity. To our valiant defenders, I say, Sindh salutes you. Pakistan salutes you. You have not only safeguarded our borders, but lifted the hearts of 240 million Pakistanis. Let me also express deep and sincere appreciation to the nations who stood by us, countries that raised their voice for peace, called out injustice, and stood in solidarity with Pakistan's right to defend itself. Your support reaffirmed that in times of trial, true friendships are revealed. To our political leadership across party lines, thank you. In the heat of crisis, we found consensus. The Parliament stood tall. The Federation stood united. And together we showed the world that the security of Pakistan transcends politics. To our media, responsible, vigilant, and patriotic, thank you for guiding public sentiment with wisdom and for standing as a pillar of national morale. To the people of Sindh and the people of Pakistan, your prayers, your patience, and your faith gave our defenders the strength they needed. Our unity is our shield. And once again, I would like to thank Allah Ta'ala for His countless blessings on our beloved country, its people, its forces, the Pakistan People's Party, and its leadership. So the outgoing financial year has been one of consolidation and fiscal responsibility. I thank the members of this House and the Provincial Cabinet for supporting our austerity drive and reform agenda during uncertain times. The year began with a balanced budget of rupees 3.506 trillion, with an IMF mandate primary surplus target of rupees 299 billion. The province faced a rupees 282 shortfall in NFC transfers, receiving only rupees 1,363 billion out of rupees 1,645 billion projected until May 2025. Despite this, the government released rupees 666 billion in development funding, is on track to utilize rupees 500 billion by the year end, the highest ever development expenditure, will complete approximately 1,494 development schemes, another all-time high, allocated record high funds to health and education, transforming service delivery across Sindh. Mr. Speaker, despite daunting fiscal and economic pressures, the government of Sindh remains resolute and forward-looking. With discipline and people's trust, we will continue delivering progress and prosperity across the province. So the government's top priorities, I will start with the health department with a motto of health for all. Like every year, the Sindh government has upheld its promise to deliver quality and free healthcare services to the people of the province. This year, the health budget was pitched at rupees 344 billion, which has been utilized for critical patient care and expansion services. We have ensured that every penny serves its rightful purpose, improving lives. I will list out the major institutes which have performed exceptionally well during the year. The NICVD has treated 1.4 million patients in the current financial year. And out of this, more than 10%, 160,000 are from other provinces. The key achievements include 10,000 plus emergency angioplasties, 1,450 pediatric heart surgeries, 333,760 OPD consultations. The services of NICVD are now extended to our sister province, our neighboring province of Balochistan in Quetta for pediatric care. The Sindh Institute of Cardiovascular Disease, SIVD, now has a network of 10 hospitals, 29 chest pain units, 14 cath labs, offering over 2 million treatments in the current financial year. This includes 31,852 angiographies, 1,608 adult heart surgeries, 1,618 pediatric interventions. Our hospital in Gambat, the Peer Abdul Qadir Shah Institute of Medical Sciences, is a center of innovation. Here, only in the current financial year, we have done 308 liver transplants with a total to date of 1,277 liver transplants, 44 kidney transplants in the current financial year, with a total of 344 to date, 51 bone marrow transplants, state-of-the-art liver tower, neuro complex, robotic surgeries, and jail ward have been completed. Another shining star in our health services is the Sindh Institute of Child Health and Neonatology, where we strive to save newborn lives across Sindh. The SICHN network has increased to more than 700 beds across Karachi, Sakhar, Ladkano, Benazirabad and other locations.